Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom broccoli soup. First, sauté your chopped onion and garlic in a large pot until softened, about 5 minutes. Next, add sliced mushrooms and cook until they release their moisture and turn golden brown. This step builds a flavorful foundation for your delicious soup. Once your mushrooms are browned, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then add your fresh broccoli florets. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until the broccoli is tender crisp. You want it cooked through, but still vibrant green for the best texture and color. Now for the creamy part. Carefully transfer about half of the soup to a blender and process until smooth. Return the blended portion to the pot, then stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This creates a lovely, velvety texture. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Your easy mushroom broccoli soup is ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with some fresh parsley or chives for a pop of color. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread or a light side salad. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, be sure to look at the links in the description below. This soup is perfect for a cozy meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.